going to be putting in some flooring that he's been wanting to do. It looks pretty good. I think I might use it in one of my projects. It's like a nice little light colored gray, wood grain look. And we got it from Home Depot. And he's working on getting the carpet out right now.
Oh,
the old cup. Hey, how's it going? You're getting it. Cool.
Woo.
Looks like you're getting most of it too. Yeah.
Some old, dirty, disgusting carpet.
Yeah. How long has it been in there?
Since 2001.
2001. Wow.
Yeah.
Yep.
So 17 years of dust and who knows.
Filth. Yeah. Who knows exactly. Well, that's cool. Yeah, but there's a piece right there. That's gonna be nice. It's a really nice quality. Waterproof. It's got a nice
looks like,
rubber backing on it and everything.
The floor looks pretty solid. It looks like it's probably been wet in the past, you know, maybe.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
structurally it seems fine.
Good.
Wouldn't you agree?
Yep, it feels like it. I've walked on it a number of times and I haven't felt any like soft spots, which, you know, some of those Class C's and other things you'll find.
Yep.
Yep, or where there's been a lot of spillage, but yeah, that's good. That's a good deal. Yes, indeed.
It's a little stubborn. It didn't want to come out.
Oh man. Well, you showed who was boss, so. All right, so we went ahead and killed the floor since I had some on hand, and it was quick enough to do it. And there was little odors in the floor, so it's always just do what you can do to make things a lot better. So, of course, the carpet's out, and we've got all the staples that removed, and now we're going to just put a little bit more touch there and let it dry for an hour or so, and move on to the next stage. Just about finished this job here. See, Mike's been cutting it all day long. Look at that, he's got this whole floor almost in.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
It's looking good. Coming together, just one more piece at that side. And we're gonna do a little bit around the cabinet and around the floor here. Then you're gonna have some rubber.
All the cuts were done.
Yep.
With a little utility knife.
No less than a utility knife. It can be done.
It's just about done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good deal. That's a little bit nicer than that carpet you had. That carpet you had in there before was pretty snazzy, but
not snazzy. No.
Not snazzy. Okay.
No, it was well overdue.
More like nasty than snazzy.
Yeah.
Yep. Cool.
Yeah, we'll have some finishing things to do, but overall it's great.